Hey guys, Mercedes 101 here and welcome to M&D's The Mine Train. This is my second attempt at this video thanks to Mark. Bad language. No, this is Keen. And this is Mark. And we are ready for the Mine Train! I'm mental. I know. Right, that guy's drew his eyes over me, plonker. Alright mate, anything you want to say to the public? Anything you want to say to the public? Bye! Right, okay. Okay, so here we go. Up we go, people, up we go.
No, that's fine now.
The back is the worst.
Mark tank's not on! Keep not even tank on, Mark tank's not on.
Oh, it is.
No, it's not.
Way! Way! I'm doing it, people. Woo! Right, so we're on the Mine Train. Mine Train, hiya.
No, it's not!
Shine! The Mine Train, Mine Train. No, isn't it? Oh no, no, isn't it? Alright, so Mark played a little prank there. It was not. It was not, you dick. Right, okay, so we're going round again.
It's tight and nice because why is everything? I don't know.
Do you like the back, Kane? Kane, do you like the back? Right, so this is yeah, we're gonna go again, and it's gonna be fun. Whoa! Right, yeah, this is a Mine Train! Right, so yeah, Mine Train guys. Yeah, Mine Train guys. I've never actually done roller coaster vlogs before! Right, so yeah, I think that went pretty well guys. Hope you enjoyed that video and stay tuned for more.